Today we'll be seeing the differences between undefined and null. Hi, I'm Alex, the architect for Backfrap, and this is Talking to the Architect. And today we'll be answering David Riviera's question. What's the difference between empty and null? And by empty he means undefined as shown in the dashboard. And before I proceed to the content, I would like to invite you all to our free security webinar that's happening tomorrow. There is a link in the description of this video so that you can use to join. It's totally for free and I'm sure we can learn a lot together. So David, thank you so much for your question, and let's show what's the differences between the empty or undefined and null. To illustrate that, I created this new app and we're going to create a new class in here called my class. So my class. I'm going to create it as public so I don't have to authenticate to see its data, and we are going to add a few properties in here. So they will all be strings, so string 1, make another one, so string 2 and string 3. Now that I have my 3 properties up there, I can try to add a row. When I click add a row, you see that all the data are as undefined. But if I set some value, so for instance test and add, now it has a value and the other ones stays as undefined. So undefined means that this property was never set. I never have it holding any kind of data. The null, on the other hand, means that I explicitly tell this property to hold an empty value. Let's see that in code. So here I have my Visual Studio where I instantiated the SDK and initialized my app, and we start by creating a async function, so async function run. And let's call this function, so run. And inside here I'm going to declare the my class object, so let my class equals new parse dot object and pass my class name, so my class. Then we can set its properties, so my class dot set string 1 as hello again, my class dot set string 2 as undefined, as null, sorry, and I'm not setting the string 3. Let's then call the save method, which is a synchronous call, so await my class dot save and run this code, so node index.js, and go back to my dashboard and refresh my data. So as you can see, my new record says hello again for string 1, and my string 2 is now null, which means that I explicitly told that I want this property to be holding no value. But the string 3 that I never set any value for it keeps as undefined. So this is the main difference between undefined or empty and null. One is when the data is never set, and the other one is when you explicitly tell the property is holding no values. So if this video was helpful to you, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. So I hope this was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.